Welcome everyone to another video for Topological Space. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of a very interesting world, the Compact Real Projective Plane. Is this one the hardest level? Is it the trickiest to figure out? I have no idea, but we'll just get right into it. It is the shortest though, it has only 15 levels. Alrighty, and we are back with the distracting background. These weird little smoke things that pixelate everywhere and kind of obstruct your view at times, which is a little annoying, but that's intentional. So this level forces you to go upside down because there's no way you can jump up there and reach that. So the best way to do that is to just hold right and go upside down. So there you are. There's some tricky stuff here, like this. I'm pretty sure is only possible if you do one of those mid-air jumps that I've talked about in the other levels on the compact space. So we have that. Now we have to do a couple levels upside down so we know what we're actually doing. This one involves these swoopy jumps that I've called, that I've said in the past couple videos. And then this one is another mid-air jump that if you screw up, you have to do again. There we are. Okay, and now this one's just a bunch of random jumps. Let me check here. I think that you should not hold the jump button all the way here. Just kidding, I guess you can. I thought you wouldn't be able to get away with that. But yeah, it's just a few jumps, and you just gotta make sure not to lose your cool. And now we go back. Oh man, let's figure out how to do this level. So you have to definitely jump across these ones here. Now, a lot of people might think, okay, well, I'm now right side up, so I better jump up here. I can make this jump, and I can make this jump, so I have to make this jump right here. I just did a mid-air jump and I wasn't even able to make it. So this one's actually tricky. Here's what you have to do. I also don't remember what you have to do, so I'm gonna have to try it out here. Oh, that was close. Okay. What I want is to be able to go upside down up here. In order to do that, I have to be somehow jumping upside down over here. So I actually have to, I think I have to start here, jump up, then go right, and then I'll be going this way. It's very tricky and might take a couple times, but that would just be a couple times to figure out what the heck you're supposed to do. It's levels like this that make the real projective plane very interesting. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to jump up and to the right. Oh, I didn't do it. Okay, I don't remember how to do it, but there's something weird. I'll let you know what I end up doing once I succeed. Right, okay. That didn't work? Or did it? Oh, it did. I did it, and then I screwed it up. Aha! I don't know what I did there. I jumped up and to the right, but maybe it was, I don't know if it was, and I screwed it up again. See, this is why you don't talk while you're doing this sort of thing. Let's just jump up and to the left. That didn't work. Okay, let's jump up and to the right. This didn't work either. All right. So you got to make sure in some of these levels not to lose your cool, because, like I just did, because then you actually beat the level, but you didn't actually do it because you messed it up for yourself. So you want to make sure not to do that. I can't believe I messed it up. I don't even, see, here's the thing though, I wish I knew what I was doing because I don't even know how I beat the level. And I would like to tell you how to beat the level and not just show you, but sometimes it's not always possible. Okay, okay. Oh, what did I just do? I don't even know what the heck I just did, but we're just gonna keep going like I know what I did. Okay, what's up with this one? So we're down here. This one is honestly kind of long. I think you have to jump this way, and then you have to use this to go up here, fall upside down here, and then jump this way. And now you're over here, and then this one's just a tricky jump because of this low-hanging piece of ceiling. So let's just try it. Okay, good. I suspect you need a midair jump there. All right, what is this? This is the level that I played the other day that I couldn't actually figure out how to beat. So let me see if I can replicate what I did. First, you have to jump up here and make sure you're pressing the right buttons, because I am not. Okay, left. Okay. Now, going over here is nothing, so you have to do a little bit of a swoop jump there. But see, here's the thing. You might think, okay, fall down here, and then you go this way, but then you can't actually jump up here, right? Why don't I show that to you to demonstrate? You go over this way, and you can't actually jump up here. That's intentional because you can't jump more than 4 of those blocks. So then you realize that you messed up, and you have to jump up here and waste some time. And it's a little tricky because of bad coding. So what do? What I would like to do is be right side up right here. So I have to be upside down over here somehow. Actually, just kidding. I remember now. I just have to jump up into the left here to land on this block. Then from here, I climb this tower. And when I say jump up into the left, I mean jump up so that you're moving to the left, which is not necessarily, due to the climb battle physics, pressing the left arrow. So you have to be careful about that. You really do. It's tough and tricky. Okay, we're good. Now we can progress our way through the rest of the level. It'll just take some time. We'll be able to do it. Okay, let's try again. This is why you should be a good coder, so you know how to code games well. Okay, what's this? This one you can probably do, you could probably cheese this one because I don't know, but I'll try to do the intended way. I'm just walking through the normal intended way. Normally you can just fall down here, and then you would have to go over here and jump up to this, nope, wrong direction. Jump up into this side, and then jump up into this side, and then jump up to here, and then you jump up this way. Oh, that didn't work for some reason. That was because of bad coding. So let's talk about that. Up. Can we jump up here? No. Okay. Can we jump up this way? No, that didn't work either. How do I do this? Oh, I know what I do. You're supposed to jump up this way and then do the weird thing where you end up being right side up here. That makes sense, because you're supposed to be right side up in order to get to this goal anyway. Oh, I screwed up. Well, that gives me an opportunity to show you again what I did. So I jump up here, I jump up here, I jump up here, and I jump up this way. Okay, that's not what I do, but let's see here. I jump up this to this red block here. Now I'm gonna jump up and to the left here, so then I can jump all the way over and be in the right gravity mindset. This one is interesting. You have to jump this way in order to progress, but once again, you need a running start of some sort. So you just have to be patient. Okay, now there's a couple ways to do this. If you are lucky enough, you can just jump across here, and then all you have to do is do a couple swoopy jumps to climb the tower, which is pretty difficult. But instead of being difficult, maybe you want just a very, you want a more puzzling way to do this level than a difficult way. So what you could do, you might end up falling down here. In which case, what you can do is go this way, and then go this way. Falling down here makes you start the level over, so maybe we don't want that, but we can instead go back down this way, and then we can reach the goal like that. Whether you end the level right side up or upside down is basically the same difficulty for this level. This level requires you to jump up here, and then jump up into the left, or jump up into the right, so that you now have different gravity. And then you just have to go down here, where if you screw up, then you have to basically do the level again. You have to go up to this part here, and then you have to jump up like this, like this, like this. Yeah, and then once again jump up into the right to hopefully get to the right gravity. and then we just do it again, this time carefully and correctly. Now, let's see. I think it doesn't matter. I think there's some issues with which direction you want to be in, but it could be, you could really go in either direction. All I literally did was wander around while talking, and I am now beating the level. But I think you can beat the level right side up, in which case you do have to do some interesting little jumps here. But if you don't do that, then you just have to do some less interesting jumps like this. This one is a little okay. I put this block here to make you think that maybe you're supposed to jump up here and then go down there, but that's actually not what you do because or maybe you can, but I just haven't gotten it to work. You're actually supposed to do a midair and then a midair jump and then jump onto this block right away. Then you can do I don't know if you need to midair jump right there. Yeah, you definitely have to midair jump there, but what about off that yellow block in the center? You probably do, but once you get that, then the rest of the level's easy. You just jump up here and try not to get annoyed at my bad coding. And then this one's funny. This one's funny because you jump up here and you're like, I can't reach this dang thing. But you actually have to wait until this thing is at its lowest point in order to be able to get it. So we can get it there. What is this level? I forgot. I know I made this like last week and I already forgot. So I think you're supposed to jump up and to the left. Yes, you do. That's what you do in order to get upside down to make it across here. All you have left to do is go this way, go through this thing. If you fall down here, then you can easily just get back up. You jump up here. Well, you can't actually do anything there, so you have to actually jump up here and jump up there, and then jump up this way. And now you have to jump up into the right again to switch the gravity like that. I believe this might be the last level till the next one. To do this, you have to climb these stairs. This doesn't get you anywhere. What's this? This doesn't get you anywhere, so let's go up here. Then you have to jump across that gap, go up here, and then go over this way. I think you need a mid-air jump to get across this. Oh, I just screwed up many times. Let's see here. Up this, up here. Okay, let me talk about what's going on here. Let me talk about this. I don't actually know if I've had to do this for another level so far, so I have to talk about it. And in order for me to talk about this, I have to try again. Because what I suspect is that not only should you do a mid-air jump there, but you also can't hold down the key very much, because otherwise you will hit the ceiling and that won't be good. I almost feel like my game's lagging. That's kind of interesting. I don't know how much lag I've experienced with this while making it. Okay. I've got some extra time. These videos are usually like 10 minutes or something, right? I just want to, I really want to test this out so I can let you know what's going on. I don't think I'm doing a mid-air jump these days, so we got to fix that. Yes, I did a midair and held it all the way, and I could not make the jump. So what you're supposed to do is a midair and just tap it lightly. Now, I know a lot of people don't like that mechanic, but it's what you have to do. As you could see by the fact that I went down and then up, I just barely made that. But that's what you're supposed to do. And now you have to figure out what to do from here, which is go upside down at some point. You can go upside down that way. You can jump up here and maybe... okay, you just have to go upside down this way. I thought about... There were a lot of things I remember trying to think about while making this level, but a lot of things didn't work. So you just have to jump up this way and keep going. And now you're up here, and then you just keep jumping up this way, and you get to the end of the level. At this point, I forgot that you're supposed to actually move to this side. You're supposed to actually move to this gap so then you can actually go up here and jump to get to the end of the level. If you don't do that, then you have to start over, which is what I'm doing right now, starting over. So that is awkward because I totally got tricked by my own level. The lag is ever so building up. If this breaks the next level, that won't be fun. I'll have to fix that. Okay. Yes, we see a lot of interesting smoke coming here. It's distracting, but we got that, okay. All we have to do now is go upside down over here. Now we have to jump up this way, jump up here, jump up here. What am I doing? What is, well, hang on, let me ask that question later. I'm moving left. Okay, I'm moving left. When I switch, I'm moving, okay, left means right. When I switch up here, left will mean left. So I have to go to the, I have to hold left. There we are. That worked. It might be different for you based on your Klein bottle physics, but from there the level's easy. Super job. Superstar, actually. And this one, I mean, I actually wanted to make this one where you have to go upside down in order to beat it, just, you know, out of pure interest, because it is the real projective plane. But once you do that, you beat the level and get the quotient topology. It's definitely difficult. It's a lot of fun, though. So I believe that concludes my walkthrough video, or my series of walkthrough videos. There is nothing else I have to talk about. So feel free to watch whatever you need to in order to beat these levels and create your own. All right, scratch on.